Car care isn't just about oil changes and mechanical maintenance. Giving your car's finish extra shine is another way to keep it in top-notch condition. Polishing a car by hand can take hours of labor and leave your arms aching, but there's a better way. There are many products available to choose the best car polisher, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Meguiar's MT300 Dual Action Polisher. Yes, there are far more expensive buffing options in the dual action polisher or random orbital polisher space, but we enjoyed the Meguiar's MT300 unit a lot. The construction is properly premium, the adjustable handle makes for a comfier machine than usual, and backing plate installation is a breeze. With a wide range of speeds available, the MT300 was happy applying a bit of car wax, working harder with a polishing compound, remover or anything in between. The MT300 is quiet and far smoother than other tools we worked with, and when you're spending this kind of money, it's exactly what you want. Number 2. Chemical Guys Torq's. Here's your step up from Porter Cable. Chemical Guys sells a line of Torq branded polishers, but if you're simply looking for an excellent tool to take out swirl marks and light scratches in paint, the Torq's random orbital polisher is an excellent choice. No, it doesn't get the fancier digital display like the 10FX model, but the dial movement is totally fine to use while working on a vehicle. It's comfortable to hold too and transfers way fewer vibrations than the Porter Cable unit. We didn't really care for the on-off switch placement, however. It's a little clunky to get to while you're working. In this respect, the Torq 10FX is superior just on this usability factor. That orbital buffer model is also much costlier. Number 3. DeWalt DWP849X Polisher. This powerful buffer and polisher from DeWalt is our premium choice, ideal for home and regular commercial use. It may be more expensive than the other choices on our list, but it has almost all the features you could want from a polisher. With a sturdy ball bearing construction, variable speeds, and a soft start function, it is well worth the additional cost. A powerful motor delivers up to 600 rotations per minute with a conveniently located variable speed trigger that allows you to maintain in full control at all times. Number 4. Meguiar's G3500 Dual Action Power Tool. The Meguiar G3500 is a versatile and highly affordable waxer and polisher and is a perfect option for the home detailer. It attaches simply and quickly to most standard drills as long as they don't exceed the maximum recommended RPMs of 2500. This does limit its power somewhat. But what it lacks in power, it makes up for in convenience. It can be used cordlessly, it is small and lightweight, and it has a random orbit motion. However, it is lacking in its variety of applications due to its lack of power. Number 5. Gapless Electric Car Polisher. The Gapless is a budget electric car polisher designed with beginner and detailers in mind. It features a 1600-watt motor and 6 different speed settings that can be adjusted according to use. It's equipped with an adjustable handle for extra accuracy, as well as a safety trigger button. It comes in a hard plastic suitcase for easy storage. One important factor to note is that this polisher gets very hot very quickly, and with extended use, overheating can be an issue. It also has low-quality parts, with multiple users reporting the handles breaking. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.